Good evening, dear parents. Year 2000, Apex Center for Exams, Narayangura, Hyderabad, was a well-known coaching institute offering training to aspirants of competitive examinations such as Civil Services, IPS, Group 1, Group 2, MPDO, SI of Police, DSC, etc.
It had secured 10 consecutive state first ranks in the previous years. No wonder it was a number one choice for government job seekers. In fact, there was a belief amongst aspirants that once you enter the premises of Apex, you will soon be a top level government officer.
However, an announcement made by the then Chief Minister in February 2000 changed everything. He had declared that the government would pursue a policy of economic liberalization and privatization, which resulted in a drastic reduction in government recruitment.
Fewer government notifications meant fewer aspirants and consequently fewer students enrolling in coaching institutes. Economic sustainability of Apex soon became a challenge.
After all, change is the only constant in life. Every crisis is an opportunity. Only those who adapt emerge as winners. The man with the golden touch, Mr. Vasireddy Amarnath, embraced this reality and the result was Slade the School, established on 13th May 2001 at Bashirbagh. The name itself was unique and immediately drew attention, arousing curiosity among many.
Every great institution has a humble beginning. In its first year, Slate had 72 students with no advertisements or marketing gimmicks. The guiding principle was simple: deliver child centric, value based quality education, and growth will follow naturally. By the second year, student strength tripled, and the Bashirbagh campus became just sufficient for 230 students.
What next?
The search for a larger campus led Slate to Abbots, where the erstwhile State Bank of Hyderabad building became its new home. Our Global Genius campus, the following year, student strength increased to 650, and soon the Little Explorers and Bloom Buddies campuses at King Koti and Sunrise Scholars campus at Shergate came up.
By the fourth year, further expansion became necessary, leading to the opening of the Champions Circle campus and subsequently the Discovery Domain campus. From the fifth year onwards, there was a constant demand for admissions with recommendation letters and phone calls requesting at least one seat.
For 25 years, Vasireddy Educational Society has strictly adhered to the policy of no profit, no loss. At a time when many school managements were busy selling their schools and earning anywhere between 400 to 1200 crores, the management of Slate derived great satisfaction in running school with integrity and purpose.
क्या हम अपने बच्चों को बेचते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा.
Work is worship. Duty is religion. This principle lies deep in the heart of Mr. Amarnath. If we run after work, we earn name, fame, happiness and health. This is the secret behind Mr. Amarnath's fitness and discipline.
25 सालों से स्लेट हैबिट्स के पेरेंट्स ने जितना ट्रस्ट दिखाया है और बच्चों ने जितना प्यार बरसाया है, इस जिंदगी के लिए यही काफी है. हर स्लेटर को सफलता की शिखर पर बिठाना ही हमारा मिशन है.
इस मंच से अमरनाथ सर के बारे में बोलने की क्या ज़रूरत है? स्लेट में पढ़ने वाला हर बच्चा, चाहे वह नर्सरी में हो या 10th क्लास में, या फिर वे स्लेटर्स जिन्होंने 18-19 साल पहले अपना विद्या अभ्यास यहीं से पूरा किया हो, ये सभी लोग अमरनाथ सर से प्यार करते हैं. तो फिर अमरनाथ सर की बात को यहीं छोड़िए.
25 साल हो चुके हैं. आज स्लेट 15,000 स्टूडेंट्स और 2,000 एम्प्लॉयज का इंस्टीट्यूशन है. लेकिन एन के उषा रानी का नाम आपने कभी सुना है? और आपको शायद ही पता होगा क्योंकि एम्प्लॉयज में भी ज़्यादातर लोग इनके बारे में अधिक जानकारी नहीं रखते।
For running any institution, financial management is very important. पिछले 25 वर्षों से अकाउंट्स और फाइनेंस को अत्यंत कुशलता और ईमानदारी से संभालते हुए संस्था को स्थिरता प्रदान करने में श्रीमती N.K. उषा रानी मैम की भूमिका अत्यंत सराहनीय रही है।
आजकल जहां बच्चे हायर एजुकेशन के लिए यूएसए, कनाडा और यूके जा रहे हैं और वही सेटल हो रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 यूनिवर्सिटी मानी जाने वाली यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया के बर्कली से मास्टर्स इन लॉ पूरा करने के बावजूद हैदराबाद लौटकर स्कूल चलाना सिर्फ अपना प्रोफेशन ही नहीं बल्कि अपनी जिंदगी का मकसद बना चुकी है कृतिका वासी रेड्डी।
ताजमहल किसने बनाया? इस सवाल के जवाब में हम हमेशा शाहजहां कहते हैं, लेकिन क्या शाहजहां ने अपने हाथों से ताजमहल बनाया था? अगर कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन इतना बड़ा नाम कमाकर क्वालिटी एजुकेशन दे रहा है तो सोचिए इस महान कार्य में कितने हाथ जुड़े होंगे।
On the occasion of our Silver Jubilee, we are honored to felicitate individuals who have played a significant role in Slate's journey. We take pride in honoring the former principals of Slate Abbots, and due to constraints of time, we are felicitating only those employees who have completed a minimum of 15 years of dedicated service with us. While many of them are still going strong with us, some of them are no longer working with us, but their hearts always remain with Slate. It's an honor to now call upon.
The ceremonial presentation is done in the afternoon at school. We are having it here now for all our dear parents. That's the reason we will be announcing the names quite fast. Mrs. Meenakshi Malhotra, the founder principal of Slate the school, she led the transition of Slate from Bashir Bagh to Abbots. Ma'am comes from a defense background. Her husband, Mr. Rakesh Malhotra, served in the Indian Air Force and retired as group captain. She is highly disciplined and punctual. In her 3 years of service at Slate, ma'am was never late, not even for a single day.
Mrs. Krishnakala Vagre, ma'am was the principal of Slate, an epitome of discipline, a leader with immense knowledge and experience. Her legacy goes a long way.
Mrs. Sapna Bhatnagar, she joined Slate as a mother teacher for grade 2 and through unwavering dedication steadily rose to the esteemed position of dean. She stands as a true symbol of commitment, discipline, punctuality, integrity and leadership. When Meenakshi ma'am set the benchmark by never being late, the management believed it was a record that could not be suppressed or broken until Mrs. Sapna Bhatnagar rewrote the history with 25 years of service and 0 late marks, even during her maternity leave in 2006. When the institution required her services, she immediately resumed duties, demonstrating exceptional devotion to Slate. She has been instrumental in churning a number of leaders at Slate for Slate.
Miss Sangini Agarwal, her journey at Slate is a true testament to versatility and leadership. Beginning as a UKG teacher, she steadily evolved by embracing diverse responsibilities with grace and efficiency. From serving as Vice Principal Administration to leading as Principal of Pre-Primary and later Primary, she has consistently strengthened the academic and administrative foundations. Today, as the Dean of the Primary Wings, she continues to shape young minds with vision, commitment and unwavering sense of purpose.
Mrs. Margaret Nicholas, she commenced her association with Slate as a mother teacher for grade 1 and soon became a beloved presence across the campus. Known for her warm smile, positive spirit and nurturing approach, she has rendered years of dedicated and heartfelt service. Her journey of growth and trust has led her to the esteemed role of Dean of the Primary Wings. where she continues to inspire, guide, and lovingly nurture the youngest learners of Slate.
Mr. B. Narsingh Rao. His journey began as admin in charge at Apex Center for Exams, coordinating for conduct of classes at different places in the United Andhra Pradesh. That way, he is the senior most employee with us. He moved from Apex to Slate in the year of inception, went on to become the transport manager and is today the director for the Department of Transport.
Mrs. A. Sarada joined Slate as high school biology teacher, went on to work as ADP, then as principal of Slate Vijayawada, then Tirupati, and now is the principal of our baby, Slate Gannavaram.
Mrs. S. Ramadevi joined as an administrative officer and took complete ownership of administrative functions, played a key role in team coordination and process streamlining, demonstrates dedication, reliability, and a proactive approach. She is now the administrative director.
Mr. A. Nagaraju, a very honest, sincere, hardworking, and dedicated employee who joined as an accounts officer and is now heading the accounts department as a chief finance officer. Never restricted himself to office hours, consistently worked beyond regular timings, and ensured that all the tasks are completed accurately and in proper order.
Mrs. Simple Dayama. She joined Slate as social studies teacher for the primary classes, and through her dedication and academic leadership, she steadily rose to positions of greater responsibility. She went on to serve as the principal of Karmangat campus, first for primary wing and later for the high school. Today, as one of the deans for high school, she continues to contribute to Slate's academic vision with experience, insight, and commitment.
Mr. M. Rambabu joined Slate as maths teacher for high school and in charge of IAS, Integrated Academic Studies. The nascent stage of what we now call the Apple Stream, was sent to lead the first outstation branch of Slate at Vijayawada as the principal. He then rose to the position of dean and is now also the principal of Cognibode the school, our new school at Patancheru.
Miss Archana Rangi, a multifaceted personality who joined Slate as an English language teacher and rose to become vice principal, additional principal, the high school principal of Borampet, and is now dean for high school. Known for a flair, confidence, and graceful presence, she has single-handedly managed the stage and the annual day responsibilities over the years. An extremely dedicated, hardworking employee, she always ready to go beyond time and duty.
Coming in now are our next set of executives.
Miss Rajalakshmi, accounts officer at Slate Karmanghat, one of the sincerest and honest employees we have. Miss Uma, dean for primary alongside Sangini ma'am. Miss Kalpana Sawant, another dedicated employee with 24 years at Slate, secretary to Dean Sapna ma'am. Miss Florence, ABT, ADP for pre-primary. Miss Ranjita, one of the best mentors we have. Mr. Sanjay Kumar Jaiswal, our multi-talented, wears many hats. High school Hindi teacher as well as director department of dance. Mr. Syed Naki Hussain, another committed and talented employee, director department of sport.
Mr. Mohammad Qasim began his journey as high school maths teacher, expert with mental ability, now the principal of high school Vijayawada. Mr. Prabhakar, assistant admin officer, looks into all the works related to the education department for all our branches. Mr. B. Sanjay Kumar began as admin assistant and is now assistant transport manager at Slate Amirpet. Mr. Balakrishna, transport manager and admin officer at Slate Karmanghat. Miss Shivakumari, also known as Rani, operations manager, very efficient and versatile and dependable. Miss Ramadevi worked as ADP at primary.
Mrs. M. Jyoti, finance manager, another honest and dedicated employee with numbers at her fingertips. Miss Neelima Singh, began as a social studies teacher at primary and rose to being the principal of high school, now rendering services at Slate Amirpet. Miss P. Swapnarani, Assistant Audit Officer, another soft-spoken, sincere and honest employee. Miss Nikita Maru began as the then front office executive and rose through the ranks to become Assistant Accounts Officer. D. Srinivas, Transport Manager at Slate Himayatnagar.
Mr. D. Sai Kumar, Transport Manager at Slate Borampet. Mr. D. Ramu, earlier worked as PET, now he is the supervisor for Ritika Gardens. Miss Nikita Balaji, Miss Nita Balaji, joined as pre-primary teacher, served in various positions, went on to become the high school principal of Amirpet. Miss P. Padmavati, worked as ADP in primary Abbots, now working at high school Himayatnagar. Miss Usha Dandu, former principal of middle school Abbots. Mr. Venu Gopal, he has been associated with us from past 20 plus years.
Moving on to our teachers now. Miss S. Shamla, Biology teacher, high school. Miss K.B. Sunita, EVS teacher, primary. Miss Sujata Chauhan, computer teacher, primary. Miss Surekha Divedi, high school, Hindi teacher. Miss Sunita Gite, Hindi teacher, high school.
Miss K. Aruna, Social Studies teacher, middle school. Miss Nafis Sultana, computer teacher, primary. Miss Nandita Chauhan, Hindi teacher, high school. Miss Nazreen Fatima, PET teacher. Miss P. Sarada, Telugu teacher, high school. Miss Sandhya Khurana, English teacher, primary.
Miss C. Nirmala, math teacher, middle school. Miss A. Hemalata, yoga teacher, primary. Miss B. Rajalakshmi, Telugu teacher, high school. Miss Barnali Sen Gupta, Hindi teacher, high school. Miss Grace Haima, math teacher, middle school. Miss Kavita Thakur, Hindi teacher, high school.
Mr. Sanjay Kumar Dubey, biology teacher, high school, our very own Big B Amitabh Bachchan. Mr. B. Krishna Murthy, social studies teacher, high school. Mr. Gandham Devi Prasad, dance teacher, primary. He is also instrumental in the backdrop LED we are seeing here and our other annual days as well. Mr. Komata Paramesh, also known as Teja, dance teacher, primary. Mr. Pranit Joshi, maths teacher, high school. Mr. N. Suresh, PET.
Miss K. Lata, social studies teacher, high school. Miss Sardar Begum, English teacher, high school. Miss A. Tulasi, ADP admin, primary. Miss A. Vani, Telugu teacher, primary. Miss S. Vandana, teacher, pre-primary. Miss A. Lakshmi, accounts assistant. Mr. Anil Kumar Mahendra, dance teacher, high school. Mr. A. Rakesh, computer teacher, high school. Mr. S. Raghu, high school physics teacher. Rather, we say Slate's Rajamouli. Mr. R. Vinay, biology teacher, high school. Mr. Bhimanna, Telugu teacher, high school. Mr. Javed Mughani, English teacher, high school.
Miss Asma Fatima, teacher, primary. Miss Avanti Shri, teacher, primary. Miss Reshma, Hindi teacher, high school. Miss B. Vijay Lakshmi, computers teacher, primary. Miss G. Madhavi, accounts assistant. Miss Sunita Elizabeth, teacher, pre-primary. Miss Soni Singh,
डियर पेरेंट्स, ये लोग बहुत फास्ट हमारे नाम्स पढ़ रहे हैं, इसके लिए आप परेशान मत होइए. एक्चुअली आफ्टरनून हमके ऑलरेडी ये गिफ्ट्स मिल चुके हैं. यहाँ पे वी आर रीडूइंग इट ओनली फॉर आवर डियर पेरेंट्स. सो ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल दोस हु आर ऑलरेडी ऑन स्टेज. यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Miss Soni Singh, Hindi teacher, high school. Miss Y. Vijay Lakshmi, music teacher, primary. Mr. C. H. Kranti Kumar, math teacher, high school. Mr. Srinivas Gaud, physics teacher, high school. Mr. T. P. Mohan, music teacher, high school.
And now, moving on to the backbone of an institution, our sub-staff, amassed across our high school, middle school, primary school, pre-primary and canteen. M. Saradamma. And now, moving on to the backbone of an institution, our substaff amassed across high school, middle school, primary school, pre-primary and canteen. M. Sharadamma, P. Anusuya, Sardar Ravinder Kaur, Padmaja R. R. Anjamma, V. Chandrakala, R. Gangamani, B. Lakshmi, K. Lalita, P. Satyamma, S. Parmila, J. Savitri.
S. Manjula, J. Pramodini, G. Manjula, D. Pushpa, Pushpa S. S. Sujata, G. Kalavati, P. Vijayalakshmi, S. P. Pushpalata, Neelam, Vijayalakshmi M, G. Ratnamma, N. Lakshmi, Balamani, M. Anjamma, R. Kamalamma, Y. Nagalakshmi, Urmila, Mahadevamma. Lata, B. Nirmala.
Now, our grandmothers are Arunamma, C. Jayamma, S. Ramulamma, P. Sharada, S. Lakshmi, A. Anjamma, D. Jayamma, T. Andalu, M. Satyanasuya, G. Shobha, K. Sharada, J. Krishnaveni, Motkuri Lakshmi, R. Arunamma.
Now our drivers. Y. Ramulu, N. Srihari, T. Narsimha, K. Isaac, Mohammad bin Saleh Lamedi, Y. Venkatareddy.
Venkatesh P, S. Shankar, N. Ravi, G. Raju, U. Vijay, A. Srinivas, Muhammad Kalim, Abdul Ghaffar.
Now, our office boys. U. Krishna, M. Satish, Salim, Mohammad Dastagiri, G. Satish, G. Santosh. Now, our cooks. Santosh Sametla, Sanju.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all our Silver Jubilee awardees here tonight, please.
Hello. Dear parents, also slaters, ex-slaters. So here we are, those people who worked so hard for a minimum of 15 years at Slate Rabbits. And you are still looking at them. Why are you not cheering them, please? 15 years of dedicated service. You must be wondering, how come we are just pushing? I spoke to each one of them today from 11:45 till 2:15. I spoke to them. So I spoke to each one of them. We all recollected their services. Some of them are not working with us anymore. Many of them are working with us. So this is just a ceremonial presentation. And coming to myself, 25 years of continuous learning. I'm still learning. Learning not just from books, learning from parents, learning from students. Whenever I take a class, it is a big occasion for me to learn new things. And I'm not going to give any speech. Don't feel worried. Just one sentence. Sampurnata Trayodasi. You remember these things. recollect this after 10 years, the whole world will talk about these things. They may not use these names, but the skills, nutritional intelligence, financial intelligence, social intelligence, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, comprehension skills, the world is going to talk about this. Thank you very much. I request you to once again cheer for all these great souls. Meenakshi Malhotra ma'am, Krishna Kala Wagre ma'am, first principal, second principal, and the evergreen principal, Sapna Bhatnagar, Sangini Agarwal, and nursing, simple, Margaret C. She's taunting me. Arey, why are you Thank you very much. This is Slate family. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. Venu. He's been associated with us right from the times of Apex until now, 25 years of service with us. Huge round of applause once again, please.